Little mist on the water, sluggy beetling along, and yeah, I've got my long gloves on, so no selfies today, so I get a bit more chance, but here we are, just barely kind of, not even 10 k's into day 2 along the river, and team synthesis well on its way here. We're not seeing those blue. Okay, as we come into the bridge, I wish I had just seen, because it's beautiful from down there, but if you look back, you can see the river, another bridge, riders coming in. Right, our first sighting of Team Synthesis reloading here is this. Hey, they are at last! At last, we're reunited. Look at that, the blue. What have we got here? Another beautiful looking crew. Beautiful looking crew and beautiful looking food. Without these gloves? Yes, sure. Okay, we don't bite. Are you all a bit stung?
Yeah, ons is Afrikaans.
Oh, sorry, fourth language. Jammer. Right, we just hit water point 1. We've all stripped off. There's Barry in his blue kit synthesis, powered by Amazon Web Services. It's a beautiful day, as you said. Baby, not sweating too much. Slug, Team Synthesis, Digital, Crew Brown, the other Crew Brown. We got a token Belgie of the many in the race. Got to have at least one in your peloton. Pooch in that well-known position. And of course, who else? It is Jason Bull, understudy to the legendary Doug Bird. Soon to be replacing him as he's getting a bit old. Yeah, you gotta grow some. He's still growing. Who do we have here? Oh, it looks like it's Pooch and Zoot. It's the Zoot. It's the Reg Tech team. The regulator and the techulator. Dying for a cup of tea, both of them. Dying for a cup of tea. Riding so nicely together. Zoot, come left, Zoot. Team Synthesis, powered by AWS, Amazon Web Services. Loving it. Strong, a true partnership in many ways. Husband and wife, father and son, best mates. It's all about partnerships. Hemsbok, Blesbok, sorry, Schlag, Blesbok, thank you. Crossing the veld there. Now you can see them in the distance. They crossed there and they just rushed across the track, avoiding a Belgian by a millimeter. Okay, 100 meters. But yeah, special moments for tourists and South Africans alike. It's come down that pretty cool drop. You can see the riders there. Pretty bumpy, pretty nice. Yeah, you can see them all riding down that hill. It's quite a little drop off. Very pretty. You come through here. Okay, this is the finish line at Reitz. The peloton's coming in behind me. The True Blues, the Blue Train, also known as Synthesis, powered by AWS Cloud, Barry, leader of Reg Tech, articulator. Even the last 6 k's was pretty hard. Blue team, Slug's coming in, Pooch is giving it a final push.